Morgan Beck, author of Royal Icing Cookies, and I just wanted to walk you through a little bit of what is included in this book and show you some of my favorite projects. So this book goes through a bunch of different step-by-step cookie projects, different designs, as you can see, like this rainbow, things like this little orange, and it walks you through all the different steps you need to make these cookie designs. But more than just a bunch of different cookie designs, I really wanted to focus on different techniques and unique ideas that just to kind of take cookies up to the next level a little bit. So some of my favorite ones are using a sheet of parchment paper, actually, just like this, and doing different things with that with the icing. So I have two cookie examples here to kind of show what I'm talking about. This one here, when I flooded the icing layer, I laid parchment paper on top of it and let it dry to kind of give it this little bit of a rustic look. You'll get a little bit of texture there, and then I flooded and piped the design on top of it. This one is a little bit different. So I flooded the icing on the layer just regular and let that dry. And then when I piped the circles, I put a flat piece of parchment paper on top of that to kind of give it this also unique look with these kind of flat circles. So you can see the difference and just different ways in which you can use parchment paper, which is one of my personal favorites. Another way you can use it is actually folding it into a fan, kind of like this. And you can do all sorts of unique things like this. A little UFO design with kind of some texture coming off of it like that. So just different ideas, and people can take these ideas and use them in whatever kind of cookie designs they can come up with as well. Another one of my favorites is called the wet on wet icing technique, which you use icing flooded directly next to each other, different colors, and then you can use a little scribe tool, kind of like a toothpick, and swirl them together so that when it dries, it all dries even and on one solid layer. But you get these really kind of fun and unique designs and textures. So that's one of my favorites as well. Those are just a few of the things covered in Royal Icing Cookies. There's all sorts of different designs and unique ideas and techniques. Some include bubble wrap, some include using gold dust on them and glitter and stencils and all sorts of fun things that you can take and, you know, do with your own cookie designs. And it's just kind of a good tool for coming up with your own designs or following these exactly. But again, thank you so much for watching, and I am Morgan Beck, author of Royal Icing Cookies.